I'm going to tell you how we almost lost the drone. Hey adventurers, what is up? It is another What's Up Wednesday. In this episode, we're going to talk about some cool stuff. First, as we teased, we're going to tell you about our drone, almost losing the drone story. And we're also going to talk a little bit about some mail that we got. We're going to talk about the podcast. We're going to talk about what's happening on the channel. But I also want to talk to you a little bit about short form video. What is that? We'll tell you all about it in a minute. So a while ago when we posted the video of our hike to Lone Tree Hill with our friends, there was a comment from Komakino, and he asked what happened about the drone. Like, I teased a little bit like, oh geez, we almost lost the drone. He's like, what? You got to tell me what that's about. So I'm going to tell you how we almost lost the drone. So we did our check like we always do, and we were looking, making sure there's nothing, there's no major stuff going on. It's a safe place. We were within all the rules of flying, and made some observations, and nobody else out on the hill. All the rules were followed. We're good to go. Get the drone up. We're flying around. We're panning. We're getting some great shots, and then seemingly out of nowhere, two hawks come after the drone. So there is zero footage of this, at least of the hawks, because they're above, dive bombing the drone. And what you're seeing as I'm filming is I just let the camera go while I'm trying to evade the hawks and get the drone safely down and back to me as quickly as possible. So the footage turned out okay, and the drone didn't get damaged. So kind of a win-win. But things you need to be aware of. That's always a risk if you're going to fly a drone. So there you go. That is the story of how we nearly lost the drone. Now I want to share with you guys a fun little story, a little bit of mail call. We had a fun experience the other day. Somebody taped an envelope to our front door. This envelope with my name on it was taped onto the front door. And we're like, what's up with that? Mrs. Monkey, she saw the folks driving away, didn't quite see the vehicle well enough, or definitely didn't see who got into it. And so I opened it up when I got home, and we narrowed down pretty quickly who it was. But this is what they left. Now, if you don't know, we lovingly call the Jeep the Wolverine. And so our friends left this for us anonymously, but Laura figured out pretty fast who it was. And a big thanks to them. That was a very generous, very thoughtful gift. And we're looking forward to putting that on the Wolverine. Now, we always make sure to tell you about the podcast, that Caching in the Northwest podcast this week. So that'll be tomorrow because it's What's Up Wednesday. We've got Craig Romano from Washington. He is an author, and he is going to be on the podcast talking about backpacking in Washington. He has written a series of books on the topic, and we're very excited to talk to him and learn more about backpacking in Washington. Hey, talking about the channel, so a few things. Now, I teased earlier that I was going to tell you a little bit about the social media. Well, one of the things we're really trying to focus on this summer is more short form video. Now, what is that, you ask? Well, it's YouTube Shorts, it's Instagram Reels, it's TikTok videos. I know, believe it or not, I'm actually posting TikTok. So I am there. You can come and find me. If you're already watching me on Instagram, you'll probably see some of the same stuff show up, but I'm also going to try and differentiate a little bit between the channels, see what works. So it's a work in progress, but follow me on all of those. Comment, let me know what you like and what you don't like. I'd really like to learn from you what's working, what isn't working. So please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share with your friends too. That helps us, and we look forward to seeing you on those social media channels. And speaking of videos, so excited. this Friday, if everything works out, I will be releasing finally our Seattle adventure video. So we detail all kinds of great tips for visiting Seattle this summer for you to explore, enjoy, and we highlight 3 main locations that we think you should go check out when you're visiting Seattle. If it's your first time, there's some really cool stuff. Make sure you plan enough time. If you've been lots of times, maybe you haven't been to all these places. So again, check them out, enjoy, and make sure you give us a thumbs up and some feedback. We love hearing from you and learning what we can do to make our stuff even better. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. That's a huge deal, makes a big difference to us. And thank you to our patron family. And as always, a reminder to all of you to cache safely and cache often.